When was the last time you moved in such a way that made you feel happy from your heart? Or when was the last time you moved in such a way like you did when you were a child? Happy, carefree, jumping. Well, guess what? In 7 days training of movement therapy, that's what we're exactly going to do. But most importantly, movement therapy combines spirituality with movement in a way that has never been imagined before. With yoga, parkour, calisthenics, cardio, dance, you're going to go for a very high vibe experience. So, if you're thinking it's going to be too hard and it's not for you, don't worry. These are all beginner exercises. These are made in such a way that you feel better. Not just that, these are combined with therapeutic sessions. Movement itself is already a therapy. When we're walking, when we're dancing, when we're playing as we were kids, we were always happy, right? That is the basic idea. But besides that, every exercise in movement therapy is included with affirmations, with mindfulness, with meditation. So to bring out the best version of yourself, to make you happier, to make you stronger, and most of all, to make you more positive, more vibrant. So click below and I'll see you in the movement therapy challenge.